walks and playing games when there's sunny weather.
La 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 la.
If there's rain, they're singing songs or reading books together.
La 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 la.
Every day just has a way of feeling extra lucky.
La 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 la.
When you spend it with a friend, just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just like Bjorn and Bucky. Just the right size. Nice try. Almost.
I'm telling you, the trolls are 1,000,000,000% real.
Sure they are.
They're as big as mountains and terribly mean and ugly. Hey, Franny, why aren't you eating cherries? Don't you like them?
I love them, but I can't reach them.
Alrighty then. You know, this tree would barely come up to a troll's knees.
You guys never change. You care more about trolls or whatever than me.
Don't be silly. We care about you, Franny. Hey, trolls don't even exist, but you're completely real.
Ooh, Franny! I think I know what can be done to help you. Hey, we're gonna build Franny something. A fancy ladder just for her so she can reach the cherries.
Awesome plan.
My workshop is out of bounds for little kids. Hey, why don't you go swing or something? We'll be right back. Bjorn, close the curtains. This is gonna be awesome.
No little kids. That's all I ever hear. I'm sick of being little. Flying through the sky like a furry butterfly. She's so cool, I'll tell you why. She's Franny, the cool big fox. I am!
Ladders are okay, but this'll be way cool. Well, it's done. The larger charger. Hey, where's Fran?
The trolls ate her. She's probably picking flowers somewhere.
Or trying to pick cherries. Let's go find her.
New invention? Larger charger, huh? I wonder if it'll make me bigger. Hey, what happened to me?
Where could Franny have possibly gone? That girl's always so much trouble. It's a troll!
Not a troll. It's Franny, guys.
Franny, guys.
Up here! I know you're in there somewhere. Eeny, meeny, miny, yo! This is getting silly. Come here!
Look, it's Franny.
There.
So you used the larger charger without even asking first.
I just wanted to be big enough so you guys would have to notice me.
Well, you're certainly hard to miss like this.
Don't be upset, Franny. We'll think of a way to help.
I don't want to be a troll.
Just stop crying. You're acting like a big baby.
I can't help it. I want to be little like I was before. I don't want to be big. I don't want to be a whale fox.
Franny!
Huh?
We made something so you won't be too small anymore. Bucky, it's time. Get Franny's big surprise, please.
Oh, please, just not the larger charger.
I've never heard of that, but this is yours. To get at high branches, the Super Climatron.
You made me a ladder of my very own?
A ladder? This is no ordinary ladder. It's a Super Climatron with an advanced platform system and dual bear transport action.
So, Franny, you can pick all the yummy cherries that you'd like now. Come try it out.
Yeah, climb animatronic, baby! Oh, I'm telling you, the trolls are absolutely for real.
Uh-huh. Yeah, sure they are. I suppose that trolls can just rip trees right from the ground, too.
Yeah, of course.
Silly bears, I just adore you.
A northern expedition! This is the life. Nice day we're having.
The nicest.
It's so hot. Oh, my.
A great day, right?
So very great.
Ooh, so hot.
Perfect day.
The best. Huh?
Too hot.
Bjorn, what's with you? Of course it's hot. It's summer.
But in the north, it's cold. The whole year round. Nice and cool. Snow and icebergs everywhere.
So hey, maybe you should take a trip up north then.
Awesome idea! A northern expedition!
But it's a long way away. I'd have to prepare and stuff.
We'll get you prepared and stuff. Trust me, I'm an expert at everything. You know, Bjorn, the north has gotten way norther. It's colder and bleaker and more dangerous here. You'll need warm clothes, good skis, hardy provisions, and, I don't know, snow screen cream? The north doesn't mess around, my friend. Look, I'm okay.
Bucky, I'm not sure about this trip.
I've got your back, Bjorn. You won't go anywhere until I've trained you. Just wait. Hang on. Be right with you. Talk amongst yourselves. Nearly there now. I hope you're excited, because this is going to be super duper kaplowy wowie. Everybody, it's my pleasure to present to you at this time the one-of-a-kind Northern Expedition Simulator Training Course! Thank you very much. Thank you.
Whoa.
I'm not so sure about all this, Bucky.
Come on, you'll be fine. Let's go. It can strike at any moment. The whipping wind, the blinding snow, that elemental juggernaut, a northern blizzard! Feel the frigid frozen fury! Feathers in your face! Try to keep your footing on those slick, slippery slivers scattered on the sea, northern icebergs!
Hey, what are these, Buck?
I'm not sure, but the North can be unpredictable. You never know what the North's gonna throw at you next. Dangling tree trunks of icy doom? It could happen. And don't forget the thrilling, deadly majesty of the North's countless snow-covered mountains, where gravity, physics, and geometry conspire to take you on a pulse-pounding ride that will scare your downy white fur off!
Help! Bucky, I'm not certain that I want to go on this expedition up north.
Sure you do. Don't worry. Thanks to me, you're now completely prepared for your northern expedition.
Well, gosh. Guess I'll go?
Great. Safe travels.
Stay warm. Take lots of pictures.
So goodbye, I guess.
Yep. Send us a postcard.
You could maybe just stay, Bjorn.
Is that really an option?
Of course, pal. What does the North have to offer that we don't have right here? Icebergs, snow mountains, penguins, frostbite. We got all that stuff. Actually, why would you want to leave at all?
I never really wanted to go at all.
Yay! Bjorn's going to stay!
Now you have your own North that you can share with friends, complete with your very own yellow penguin.
Bucky, you do know penguins only live in the south.
No penguins? That's kind of a ripoff. Hey, wait! If you don't have penguins, what do you have?
Absolutely no penguin droppings.
Ha! Now that is a plus.
Dragon Heroes.
Once upon a time, in a forest far, far away, two brave warriors set out to rescue a princess from the clutches of a terrible dragon. They were called Sir Buxalot, the Bravish, and Bjorn the Great Wizard. And this is their tale. Not their actual tale, their story.
Aha! These are fresh dragon tracks. Good thing I'm so bravish.
Ah! The beautiful princess lived in the very heart of the forest in a cold, lonely tower, which the dragon guarded day and night. Princess here! Hey, knights! Called the princess with all her might, and our heroes knew they must act.
I'll construct an attack tower. You sneak around the back and magic up some rain.
Nah, let's dig a pit to trap the dragon, and then we can lure him into it.
There isn't time for that. We must act at once.
They agreed with a lofty quintet.
Well, this and that shall fit together and make a super advanced catapultatron-o-matic.
Meanwhile, elsewhere in the forest...
Rain, rainy, rain, rain. Stop being such a pain and just rain. Pears?
This isn't right at all!
Dragoness disappearance!
What the? It's a fish? Where'd my sword go?
Oops. Oh, Sir Buxalot, I'm terribly sorry, friend. Maybe it's allergic to seafood.
It wasn't. The princess had no idea what her rescuers thought they were doing.
Wise Bjorndolf, magically transform this stick into a spear!
Uh-huh, I hear ya, right. Random stickus, other thingus!
Yeah, that'll do.
Huh? Whoa!
By all my knightly honor, run away!
And the bravish knight and wise wizard embarrassed themselves again.
Run! So, where'd this pit come from?
I dug it. But it's not a pit, it's supposed to be a dragon trap. Great. Now the dragon's going to eat us.
And then, something unexpected.
But, what are you doing? You're not eating us?
Do we look like we taste that bad?
I'm just so happy that my dragon saved you guys.
The princess? We thought it was you that needed saving. You were crying out for help, right?
Yes, I do want your help. Poor dragon here is stepped on an ouchie burr. And I can't get it out.
It would be an enormous honor to come to your assistance, fair princess. Wise Bjorndolf, a little help?
And then they held a whopping dandy party. And that is the very end of the story.
Yes! Let's go and play knights. I will be Sir Buxalot the Bravish.
And I'll be the great and wise wizard Bjorndolf. Except my tricks will work.
Well then, I will be the princess.
You should be the dragon.
If I'm the dragon, I'll be barbecuing some knights.
Fine. Then you can be the princess in the tower.
Let's go! Adventure is waiting for us.
I hope that adventure brought some snacks.